Gorgeous ranch plan on 2.52 secluded acres in Copper Creek. Hardwood floors in the living and dining areas. Corner gas log fireplace with a TV niche. Kitchen has granite countertops, tile backsplash, under the cabinet lighting, and a breakfast bar. Cathedral ceiling with a plant ledge across the living room, dining, and kitchen. Bay window in the dining area with a backyard view. Great master bedroom has a walk-in closet and full bath with a custom vanity, garden tub, and separate shower. Spacious guest bedrooms and bath with granite vanity. Oil rub fixtures throughout. Storage shed with an easy access roll-up door. 2 to 10 home warranty.